MARRVEL.org aggregates information that can provide an overview of the disease relevance of human genes, focusing mostly on rare genetic diseases. It also gathers biological information from model organism databases.
MARRVEL can save a lot of time and effort. Without this tool, users would spend hours searching different databases to gather information that MARRVEL can obtain in seconds. MARRVEL is actively used by physicians and scientists all over the world. It facilitates diagnosis and can be a starting point for exploring more information for therapeutic studies.
Although most of our users have a human genetics background, we have increasing numbers of users from a wide range of biomedical fields, including model organism researchers.
For a human gene and variant-based search, open the MARRVEL homepage. A search can be performed with gene information alone, variant information alone, or both gene and variant information. Confirm that the candidate gene names are listed below the input box with each character entry. If the search comes back negative, use the HGNC website to make sure that the gene symbol used is up to date. Next, enter a human variant information to how variants are displayed on the Exome Aggregation Consortium and Genome Aggregation Database, or use a transcript-based nomenclature according to the Human Genome Variation Society guidelines. For a genomic location nomenclature, use the coordinates according to Homo sapiens Genome Assembly 19. To access the model organism data relative to the human gene of interest in MARRVEL, use the gene function table to obtain each of the following for 8 models.